Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for clicking on this 2021 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. I will take you guys through a look close up at this boat. We have in stock. Start off with the power plant with a Merc 115 command thrust. This is a engine upgrade on this boat. Standard horsepower is 90, so you'll be scooting right along in the mid 40s to high 40s depending on your load. Also got a real nice fiberglass boarding ladder that will be color matched to the hull on any 170 Montauk. This is a white hull with white upholstery and a navy blue bimini top. The 170 is rated for 12, has a draft of only 12 inches. Real versatile platform, can be used as a perfect day runabout platform with the family, but then also can easily be equipped to do some pretty hardcore fishing. Great boat for the Tampa Bay area where you have both large big water crossing in the bay, but then also shallow water fishing spots and sandbar locations. Got two jump seats here in the back. They can be, the backrest and cushions can be removed, and then it's rod holders where the backrests are inserted. Nice spacious aft cockpit, and then we have plumbed live well in the helm seat. It's going to be great if you're running live bait. You have that weight centered in the boat instead of all the way in the back, and it gives you a nice clean cockpit to work your fish. The helm seat also has the ability to lock in the forward or aft facing position. Got a Raymarine 9-inch Axiom here. Your gauges, your switches, VHF, Fusion, and JL audio. Nice little toe kick if you're at the helm. No matter what, you're shorter or taller, it'll be really comfortable. Got a couple cup holders and 12-volt power outlet. Before we move to the bow, you got quick grab items, so a great spot for obviously your electronics covers. Got plenty of room for life jackets in here, your battery switch, easy access on the port side of the console. Moving forward, we have the fishing package here. We've got rod holders in front of the console and a removable igloo cooler with upholstery on it to work great as a jump seat. And then the forward casting platform right now has got the removable cushions on it, but you got great non-skid and good access to a full beam fish box and then an anchor locker in front. So this can be converted, from a sun lounger pad to a fishing deck really easily. You have your trolling motor pre-wire already here to mount a removable trolling motor, 4 bow cleat, and your anchor nav light receptacle. Real spacious casting deck. Great stability here, nice clean lines. Good deep cockpit for a 17 too, and plenty of room to not have to turn sideways when you're walking around the center console. And that's a close-up look at this 170 Montauk here at MarineMax Clearwater. You can reach out to us on the web or come visit us in person and check this boat out for yourself. We'll see you on the water.